to think. So now I would like to give it back to you. I want to know from you, what were your main learnings that you are planning to implement? What were those bulb moments that you had, and what really stood out for you in today's session? So go ahead, put it in the chat box or unmute yourself. I'd love to. Yes, ABCD. Thank you, Aisha. That's great to know. So I'd love to hear from others as well. What were their main learnings, their main takeaways? Less tension, more work, stress-free life. Yes, Sanjay, absolutely. Yes, yes. So what else? Plans
Hi,
and
Sangeeta. This is Bhagyashree.
yes. Hi, Bhagyashree.
Hi. First of all, thank you so much for conducting this session. And you will not believe, whatever routine we have, when I saw this calendar request, I make sure that, this time is going to be free and I am going to attend this session. So
Superb.
I had wonderful time, no doubt about it. And
Great.
one learning, what I learned from your session is, it is very important to give time to yourself. And time, it is not necessary that you have to be there every time.
True. So,
Sometimes without you also show can run.
yes.
So giving time to yourself is very, very important.
Absolutely. Great, great learning, Bhagyashree. Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much
much.
for sharing that. Yes, yes. Giving time to myself, prioritizing things, respect, trust, delegation, communication. Yes, that was a lovely Bhagyashree. Thank you so much for unmuting yourself and sharing your thoughts. And yes, if there
Thanks,
are,
Sangeeta.
yes, hi. Plan for solo trips. Yes, high five to you on that, Ramya, because I also love solo trips. I used a solo vegetarian traveler is what I call myself. But yes, now your smile makes a smile. Thank you, Pinky.
Hi, Sang-
Hi.
Hi, Sangeeta. This is Shraddha here. So,
Hi.
I just love the session. I've been hearing it, and it is so very much relatable. There are a lot of things I am going to take back with me.
Okay.
So the top thing which I would like to carry is give priority to yourself. If you are okay, you will be keeping everybody else okay and healed, which are around you. So
True.
I think that's the best part, and of course the ABCD part, work
Yes.
for fun, or work,
Right.
fun and home. So
Yes.
I think this was a great session. Thank you so much for bringing it to us here.
Great.
Thanks a
Thank you
lot.
so much, Shraddha, for sharing that. It's so nice to hear that. And thank you, Sanjay. I see some nice comment. Oh, thank you, Jaya. Okay. Thank you for a lovely session. Thank you. Thank you, guys. You guys were a great audience.
Thank you
Yes,
so much for
absolutely.
your inspirational and interactive session today.
Most welcome.
I'm actually very extremely happy to see the level of involvement by the ones who attended. I'm
Yes.
sure everyone has a key takeaway that they would reflect, mull upon, and implement those small changes in their work and life to shift their perspective to make a success of the work from home scenario.